Between supply chain issues, COVID-19 and the ongoing housing crisis, Aotearoa's construction workers have been under a lot of pressure in recent years. Money locked up in price-inflated properties circulates slowly in local economies, hindering growth in research and development, and hurting the aspirations of prospective homeowners. Although political measures to resolve the housing crisis remain elusive, innovations like 3D printing can help to elevate this issue and bring us a step closer to affordable housing in New Zealand. Fully mobile 3D printers are an asset to manufacturing, no matter your location. Capable of printing completed walls for an average house in 1 week at a speed of over 4 square meters an hour. This technology can reduce both building times and waste, creating a flow-on effect for your company's labor costs. 3D printing technology allows for users to manufacture complex geometric designs within intricate details from a variety of materials, such as concrete, metal, or plastic, and including designs that are simply not possible with traditional methods. Off-site 3D printing also negates for the need for manufacturing walls on site, again saving on time and materials. This creates a niche for specialized subcontractors who can perform this role as instructed by design teams, so that the main contractors can outsource the work instead of having to make a large investment in 3D printer units, specialized software, and training. We can already see how 3D printing is changing the shape of our tomorrow. By automating building processes through the use of 3D printing, we can provide customizable and scalable solutions for everything from commercial, residential, landscaping and roading, all while closing the gap between supply and demand. And with trade apprenticeships decreasing rapidly over the last 20 to 30 years, 3D printing offers a gateway to getting young people excited about the construction sector. If history has taught us anything, it's that our industry is loyal to tried and true methods. While it may take some time to encourage sector-wide adoption, 3D printing could be the answer to that product you have in your mind for your business. If you are looking to progress this technology, look for an experienced provider and collaborate with them for support. Bridging gaps with new product innovations where possible will continue to grow 3D printing solutions as an option to replace traditional masonry and construction. Take note of the compliance requirements that will need to be followed when implementing these new solutions, like reaching out to your relevant building consent authority for guidance. By proving how your product complies with the building code in advance, you can build this into your processes and save yourself the stress of applying for separate consent requirements needed project by project. There are a number of authorities in the construction sector that can support you with these new solutions, like Brands, which offers an appraisal service that is commonly accepted by building consent authorities. To learn more about this, go to brands.govt.nz. Alternatively, Codemark is a voluntary product certification scheme that provides another avenue to certification. Whichever route you choose, focus your attention on creating a customizable and scalable model for success, and do your homework by collaborating with businesses that have had success with 3D printing. It's an exciting time to be part of the future technologies that are adding value in the construction sector.